So more or less like your portfolio is built up, especially as you're a designer, it's built up with your case studies. Yeah. So you ask a chef, okay, you're a chef, yeah. Prove to me that you can actually cook these things. Yeah. So you could go ahead to just take pictures of all the food you have ever cooked. Maybe each time you cook, each time you make a food, you take a picture. I could just post the pictures, yeah. That's a lot. You can see it on Instagram, on yeah. Well, you can also do a process, meaning probably take a video while you're preparing the food and you're showing the step-by-step process by which you are taking the process. Okay, so people can see that okay, this person is neat in preparing the food. This person is neat. This person is specific. So they're not just put now we're cooking and we put down inside the salt and we sprinkle the salt inside the food. So we're not just you're saying that okay, she's not doing things at random. This person is specific, taking 2 spoons of rice, 2 spoons of salt. Yeah, so they're seeing your thought process. They're saying, are you wearing gloves? Are you well kitted? Yeah, compared to just taking pictures of your food. So if someone wants to employ for like a restaurant setting, instead of just seeing pictures of the food that you are cooking, they can see your process, the process you take to cook. Yeah, it gives people a much more confidence, yeah, in trusting you and the work you do. So that's the same kind of thing we do. Yeah. So your portfolio is basically when they ask you, can you design? Are you a good designer? Do you have a process? Yeah. You don't just want to take screenshots of your UIs, your screens. I did the home screen, I did the login, I did the profile page, I did XYZ screens. And just put the screenshots, fine, on your screen. Yeah, you sure it's good. People can look at okay, this person is a good UI designer. Yeah, but if you put your process, that okay, did you have a process? What did you do during your definition? Your definition stage? What did you do in your discovery? How did you prototype these things? What were the ideas behind your decisions? Why did you use this? Why did you use this style? Why did you do this? Why did you X, Y, Z, la, 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 la. In the end, yeah. So in that case, people trust you more because you've created a case study, a study of this particular case or this particular design that you worked on. Yeah, so that's why most times people always tell you to do a case study, do a case study, do a case study, compared to just posting screenshots. You can definitely post screenshots on Dribble, on your Instagram. You cannot post screenshots, but you cannot really tell. People can't tell your thought process from just pictures. Yeah, they can only tell that you're good at designing, but they probably can't tell your process, your step-by-step approach in designing.